I lost my mother when I was 5 years old. Namatay daw sa aswang, but actually, it turned out cancer. Wala na akong alam sa kanya, except mahal na mahal daw ako. But if you look at my works, mga pelikula ko, and even my novels, very strong ang aking mga nanay. I always come up with strong mothers na mga characters. Pinupunuan ko yung wala. I'm trying to recreate my mother every time, in every mother character. And even if kumisan, hindi na ako conscious about it, subconscious na gumagawa, pinupunuan niya yung wala sa loob ko. So, in a way, conscious ako sa maraming wala sa akin. And nakikita kong, ay, doon napupunuan. And I allow it. And because I'm conscious about it, kailangan magkaroon din ako ng nanay na hindi naman ganun ka-strong lagi. Kasi magiging trite na naman sa akin. So, ginagamit ko yung wala to drive me. That way, lumalabas sa kwento at lumalabas sa personal na buhay ko. There's something more that when you can hear or you can touch.